Genie Model 2055. Troubleshooting Common Issues. The Genie Model 2055 garage door opener is a reliable device. However, it can face some common issues over time. This section provides solutions to those common problems. Door won't open. If your Genie Model 2055 door won't open, follow these steps. Check if the power source is connected. Ensure the remote batteries are not dead. Verify the garage door is not locked manually. Inspect the safety sensors for any obstruction. Look for any noticeable damage to the door tracks. If the door still won't open, the problem might be with the motor. Contact a professional if needed. Door won't close. If the Genie Model 2055 door won't close, try these tips. Check the safety sensors for alignment issues. Ensure there are no objects blocking the sensors. Inspect the door tracks for any obstructions. Ensure the remote control batteries are working. Reset the opener by unplugging it for 10 seconds. For persistent issues, examine the close limit switch. Adjust it if necessary. Seek professional help if the problem continues.
Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.